All right, good afternoon, everyone. This is Judge Kassan. Thank you for joining us. This is the 3 p.m. docket on July 14, 2022 for the City of Olmos Park Municipal Court. This is a show cause docket. I will be going in the order that we have you down on the docket. And just so everyone is aware, we are currently live streaming on YouTube, and that's in order to comply with the open courts provision of the Constitution. Okay. Let's see. I have Terry Basanco. Okay, could you unmute, please? There we go.
Hello?
How are you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, looks like you were on a deferral that runs through the 18th of this month. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And it looks like you had a balance owed, but you paid that in June, right? Right after it was due?
Yes, ma'am. And I did call it in. I was kind of out of town,
Okay.
and I did let them know. And I told them as soon as I got back in town, I'd run over there and pay for it. And I did. And the lady said that they had already mailed me out a letter just to make sure that I let you know about the situation, and I would be on this to let you know.
All right, very good. Okay, so you are on that deferral, like I said, through July 18th. So after July 18th, now that you're paid off, now that the balance is paid off, we're going to close out that case. Okay.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you very, very much.
You're very welcome. And you're good to go. You're free to log off.
Oh, thank you. Have a good day.
Have a good day. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right. Do we have Chantrell Brown? Chantrell Brown? No. Okay. Selena Calderon? No. Okay. Let's see here. Just let's see. Alberto Garcia? There you are.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good. How about you?
Good, thanks. Let's see. Looks like you made a payment the other day, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So you still have a balance of 231. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. And I also completed that class of the drug class.
You did? Okay.
Yes, I sent it through email. I got a certificate.
All right. Did you email that when?
Yesterday, I believe.
Yesterday. Okay. All right. So
let me check the email, Judge. We didn't receive it. Let me check the email.
okay. So the class, and then you still had the 8 hours of community service, right?
Yes. The only reason I didn't complete that is because they sent it to my address in Corpus, but I guess I haven't changed my address to San Antonio because I live in San Antonio now. So
Okay.
It was over there. And my dad had barely sent me that paper like yesterday, like 2 days ago.
Do you have it now? Do you have the paperwork?
Yes. I have it through email, so I'm gonna print it out through my girlfriend's sisters.
Okay, very good. So you print it out, and then you got to complete those hours. You have a place to do them?
Yes, I was thinking about like a thrift store down the street.
Well, is it a nonprofit?
Yes.
Make sure it's a nonprofit and not, not a like it could be like a Goodwill or something like that. One of those types of stores. Okay. All right, and then the balance of 231. When are you going to get that turned in?
I can. I won't be able to do it this coming up paycheck because I have a lot of bills to pay. But next paycheck, I'll be able to.
All right. So how about we have everything due in 30 days? So your hours and then that balance. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So the 8 hours and then the balance of 231. And it looks like you did submit that. So let me take a look at that certificate real quick. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, the certificate checks out. We'll go ahead and accept that. And then just make sure you get the hours completed and the payment made in the next 30 days, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all you owe us. Once you get that turned in, we can close out the case, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, any questions?
No, ma'am. Would I be able to email after this Zoom my address?
Yes,
My
that
current
was the
address?
next thing I was gonna ask you to do. Please email us your new address where we can reach you in case we need to send you any paperwork, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. And if any updated contact information, just send it in that email, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're good to go. Thank you. Have a good
Thank
day.
you.
Thank
You
you.
too.
Thank you. All right, Fernando Garcia. Okay, if you could unmute for me, please. There we go. All right, let's see. Looks like your driving safety course certificate, we needed that completed, right?
Yes, I turned
And
it in.
You turned that in already, and let's see, it looks like it was a little bit late, but you got it done, right? And then the balance was paid, so I think you're good to go. There's nothing else that you owe us, okay?
Thank you so much. Appreciate
All right,
it.
you have a good day. Take care now.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, let's see. Larissa Flores,
Yes, ma'am.
how are you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well. Looks like you missed a payment in May. And then
Yes.
again in June, is that right?
Oh, in May, I paid my payment.
Oh,
in
last
May.
payment in May. Sorry, you missed the June payment. Yes.
I had received a receipt saying that I paid $103, and it's only saying I paid $55. I have the receipt on my phone, but I don't know if that's what it says on your end, but that's what I got on the letter I received.
Okay, I'm showing a balance owed of 200. Mara, what are you showing?
Let me check, Judge.
Okay. So you're saying you made a payment of $100 and the service fee?
Yes.
Okay. And that was in May?
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, Judge, she did, but she's got two cases open, the driver's license and the stop sign. So
Okay.
55 was applied for the stop sign, and then 45 was to the no driver's license. She have monthly payments of 100, June, July, and August when her probation terminates. 105 is the last payment due in August.
Okay, so it's spread out between those two?
Correct.
Okay, and is a stop sign and what was the other one?
Stop sign and no driver's license.
Okay. All right, so
So
that's,
She did make one payment online, but we divided the payment into the two cases.
okay, so
Mhm.
the balance owed on this particular case is still 200. And then
And-
how much does she owe on the driver's license?
105 on the driver's license.
Okay. All right, Ms. Flores, do you understand that? Since you have the
Yes,
two
ma'am.
open cases? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, that's where I was confused. And I haven't been able to work because I'm 7 months pregnant and I've been having early onset labor symptoms. So I've been in and out of the hospital. So I haven't been able to work. I don't know when I would be able to pay it. I don't know if I can get it extended. I was going to get my license last month, but they told me to wait until I turned 18. I turned 18 in 4 days.
Okay.
So I was going to go the day after my birthday or the day of my birthday. So
You
I
might
can
want to call them first before you make the trip down there, just to make sure that you can do
Yes,
that.
ma'am.
You won't
I
make any
have.
quotes.
They told me to set up an appointment, but the one that's closest to me that has available appointments is in New Braunfels.
Ah, okay.
So I don't know if we can set up other payment options for me.
Let's see, you're on deferral from May, June, July. What was the deferral period, Mara? Just 3 months?
Yes, ma'am, May through August.
All right, I can extend it another 3 months after August, okay, to give you time to get that done.
Okay.
So let's,
And then for my, I was supposed to take a driver's course. When is that after I get my license?
yes, you would need your driver's license to qualify for that. And the reason you have to take the driving safety course is because of your age.
Okay.
All right, so you have lots to take care of and in the next few months.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, well, first things first, let's try to get you to get your driver's license. So try to get that done, but try to take care of yourself in the meantime, okay?
Okay.
All right, your health comes first, so take care of yourself first. If issues come up, let the court know. At this point, I can only extend it another 3 months, but if additional
Okay.
issues do arise, just contact the court and we'll set you up for a hearing, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're very welcome. So let's see, let's extend this. Myra, can you extend that another 90 days, another 90 days?
Yes, ma'am.
And then give her time to make those payments and get that driver's license and the course completed, okay?
Okay.
All right, Ms. Lotus, any questions? Do we need to update any contact information for you or anything?
Yes, I need my address
All
updated.
right. Do you have an email address that you can email us from in order to provide that to us?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, send us an email or send the court an email with the new contact information so we can update your file.
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're very welcome. Good luck to you now. Take care.
You too. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Let's see. Is it, we have Joseph Garza on the phone.
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
All right, how are you doing today?
Doing pretty good, ma'am.
All right. What's the status?
Okay, I'm more than sure this is the last time that I'm going to ask you for an assistance on timing. I
Okay,
finally got my court date on the 19th for workman's comp.
this
I'm
one?
gonna go. Yes, ma'am. Next week, Tuesday.
Okay,
Like I explained last time, I'm at the period where I'm supposed to be getting supplemental income benefits.
Okay.
However, the insurance, they did have one chance to how would you say I don't know I'm lost for words here to challenge it.
okay,
However, I did go see a designated doctor who gave me the 15% impairment rating when he added
Okay.
a lot more diagnoses. He does carry a lot of weight when the judge looks at it. So I feel very confident that as of when I do go to court, that I will win that case and get my money back to start paying my bills. I haven't had zero income due to this for a couple months because I did finish my impairment benefits and I went over to this last phase. However, I just spoke to my attorney today and he assured me that we are going to win this case. The fact that I
Okay.
do have a lot of documentation from doctors and state doctors. So I should be able to make you guys a payment. I want to say by the 15th of July.
no.
Giving
Don't
me
say the
a week.
15th, the 15th
or-
of July? That's before your hearing.
Oh, wait. I'm sorry, the 15th of July. I'm on the 19th. So
Mm-hmm.
by August 8th, I should be able to make you this payment, ma'am.
All right,
The
so
original.
here's what I want you to do. The original, what was the original? That was,
We had $25.
all right, so that was due by a week ago. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. I want you to send us a copy of your workers' comp appointment setting. All right, the
Okay.
setting you have for your court date I want proof of that.
Okay.
And then I want to know what the result of that is. So you should have that. You should have some information about that next week, right?
Yes, ma'am. Certainly.
All right. So I want you to, whatever paperwork they give you, I want a copy of it by next Friday. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So today I want you to take a photo of your hearing paperwork or make a
Okay.
copy and send it to us. Send it to that court email address. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And then the results of the hearing, I need an email or some documentation by next Friday, the 22nd. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If you're able to do that, I'll give you until the 8th to make that first payment. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. If not, I will see you back and I'm not going to place you on a payment plan. We'll just have it all due in 30 days. Okay.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
just need, I need you to work with me and show me some proof that things are getting taken care of. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So what do you got to send in to me today?
Today, I'm going to send you the actual docket for the court when I'm
Okay.
going to go for on the 19th. I'm going
All
to call
right.
the state right now and have them email it to me. Then I'll forward it to you guys
Very
at the
good.
Olmos thing. And then after the 19th, the judge may take a couple days to make his decision, but I should have something then. If not, I'll figure out how to
All right.
Um,
I'm giving you till next Friday, the 22nd. If you don't know anything by then, at least email the court and say that you're waiting for something from the judge.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? But as soon as you get something, we need a copy, just so I can make sure everything is getting taken care of. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Any questions?
No, ma'am.
All right. Just stay on top of that paperwork for me. Good luck.
Yes, ma'am.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Take care.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye-bye. All right. Javier Gomez. Do we have Javier Gomez? Abel Gonzalez? Mr. Gonzalez?
Yes, hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well. Let's see here. Looks like we were waiting for a letter of experience from your insurance company. Were you able to provide that to us?
I sent that in yesterday. Yes, ma'am.
All right, let's see here. What was the dates of coverage, Mara? The dates of the deferral?
December 20th through June 20th.
Okay. All right. All right. Okay, Mr. Gonzalez, I'll go ahead and accept that. And it looks like your balance is all paid, so you're good to go.
Thank you so much.
All right, we'll close it out. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. All right, let's see. Let's see, I'm just checking here. Erica Padilla,
Your Honor,
good afternoon. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you.
Good. Let's see. It looks like the only thing pending was a 4-hour drug awareness certificate.
Yes, so I did complete it, but I submitted it the day after.
Okay.
And before I submitted it the day after my deadline.
Okay, but you have emailed that to the court already?
Yes.
Okay. Do we have that in the file, Myra? I don't see it in the Dropbox.
Yes, ma'am, it's attached.
Okay. And that's it. She doesn't owe any additional fees, correct?
Correct.
All right. I'll go ahead and accept that, even though it was a little late. We'll go ahead and close out the case, okay?
I appreciate it and I apologize. Thank
You're
you.
very welcome. Thank you. You have a good day now.
Likewise, bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. All right. Leticia Ramirez. You're on mute. Yeah, if you could unmute for me.
Sorry about that.
No, you're good. Let's see here. Looks like you missed the payment in June. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am, and I'm so sorry, and thank you for the second chance.
Sure. Let's
I was
see.
wondering if I can have an extension until I'm just trying to catch up on some bills, and if I can have an extension, I'll be able to pay it, the rest of it off.
Okay. And when would you be able to do that? It looks like
Well,
your deferral
My next pay period is on the 29th.
9th.
Yes.
Okay. All right. I'm going to have that payment due by August 5th. Okay. Is
All
that
right,
doable? Will that
Yes,
work?
thank-
All
Yes,
right.
ma'am.
All right. That should be your last payment then.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
you can complete that, then we can close everything out. Okay.
All right, thank you so much.
All right. You're very welcome. So the 5th of August, which is a Friday, unless you have it before then, and then you can make that payment. Okay.
All right, thank you so much.
All right. Have a good day. Take care.
All right, you too.
Thank you.
All right, bye.
Bye-bye. Joanne Perez.
I'm here.
All right. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Good. Let's see here. You missed a payment in June. And then a payment was due yesterday. Is that right?
Yes.
All right. Were you able to make either of those since yesterday?
No, I'm sorry. No, I wasn't.
Okay.
But
Well,
I
you
can,
never-
I can make the payment. I can pay all off by the end of this month and get the certificate by the end of this month. It's just, I recently had a baby and it's crazy right now. So,
Okay.
I'm sorry, but I can get it all to you by the end of this month.
So by the 29th?
Yes.
All right, so we'll have everything due on the 29th, okay?
Okay.
All right, that gives you a couple weeks to get everything turned in and the payment made, okay?
All right. Perfect.
All right, you're good to go. Thank you.
Thanks.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thanks. All right. So Sarah Williamy,
Hi,
hi there, how are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Doing well. Let's see here. We were just pending your driving safety course certificate. Did you get that done
Yeah, I submitted it yesterday.
yesterday? Do we have that, Myra, in the email by any chance?
It's in file, Judge.
It's in? We're good?
In her file, yes.
Okay, anything else that she's owed? I mean,
No,
that
ma'am.
we owed? No? Looks
No,
like the balance has been paid, so we'll close out the case, okay? All
Great, thank you.
right, have a good day.
You
Take
too.
care. Thank you. And is it Ruth Hafez?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, how are you today?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. Looks like you missed the July 1st payment of $84. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am. That's right.
All right, and then you have one coming up August 2nd. Are you able to make one between now and then to catch up?
I could make one this coming Friday or next Friday. I think that's my payday.
22nd, okay, so that's a $84 payment, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and then you'll be able to make the final payment on the 2nd or no?
I don't think I would be able to pay both because that is my rent check, but would I be able to pay it on the check after that one?
Yes, just make sure that's
Yes.
submitted. That would be what, August, let's see, the 5th or the 12th?
I get paid on the, let me see, I'm so sorry. I get paid on the 22nd, so that would be the 5th.
All right, so we'll have an $84 payment due on the 22nd and then an $84 payment due on the 5th, okay?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
All right, Myra, does she owe anything else?
No, ma'am, that's it.
All right. so Ms.
185.
Lopez- Okay, so once we get those two, we can close that out, right? Is that right, Myra?
Her deferral expires on September 2nd.
September 2nd, okay. So it'll run a little bit longer. It's a little less than 2 months now, but that gives you time to pay those balances, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, you're very welcome. You're free to go.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Thank you, do the same. All right, so we'll call the docket.
Okay.
Have Chantrell Brown, Selena Calderon, Olivia Flores, Katie Goss, Jairo Hernandez Mendez, Dorian Hernandez, Joanne Perez, Ricky Quiroga, Richard Ramey, Yaeli Rivera, and Rudy Sendejo. That concludes the 3 p.m. docket.